Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since I make last post, and I see very few comments that asking me about wholesale and stuff like that. So today I decide that I want to give away one of my wholesale supplier, since also I noticed that I hit 100 subs. So thank you very much for that, and as my recognition to you guys, I want to give away my wholesale supplier, so stay tuned for that. This is one of my wholesale supplier, this bright deals, and I source a lot of items through them. They are okay, they're fast shipping and delivering and all the stuff like that. Quick mention, you need an LTD in order to work with them. You're not gonna be, I mean, they will not gonna sell to you if you don't have an LTD. They want to work only with LTD, not with individuals. So basically, if you want to work with them, you need some kind of LTD. uh I don't have any affiliate link for them, so basically you just type in Google bright deals and you will find them. Or actually, I will link it below their website in the description, so you just click straight away if you are interested to buy from them and to resell on Amazon or even on eBay. It doesn't really matter. So um, do you see they have all kind of items. The good thing is from them, for example, they already show you the sale price on Amazon. So for example, if I'm interested in this product, uh, the internet is kind of slow here because I'm not in the UK now, I'm in holiday, so that's why I didn't even post. For example, if I'm interested in this product, as you can see down here, they already uh, take the link from Amazon and they pretty much give you here some information, uh, what it's selling for and how much profit you can make. Also, you can click here and they will show you straight up the listing in Amazon, and pretty much, yeah, the information down here you should already know what they mean. If not, link in the description about the free tools that I done a video about the free tools that you can use for Amazon. So yeah, they're pretty straightforward. If we can find a product here, you see they have a lot of one item here. As you can see, they have 6. And for example, let's see this one. Yeah, so they sell it for £1. This is plus VAT, so basically you'll be 120 in reality. But that's why you need an LLC, so you can deduct the VAT. Okay, so as you can see here, this is selling on the, so net payout of your potential profit, it's £34. So they sell it like £8 on Amazon. It's kind of expensive. Yeah, well, it's £8, and here they sell it for 120. So yeah, you do you see they already make the fulfillment like seller fulfill, you'll make more money. Amazon fulfill, you'll make a little bit less money. But yeah, anyway, this is kind of a good deal. They have only 6 sometimes is what they have. I mean, but in reality you can find a lot of products through them. Yeah, this is the video, guys, short and straight to the point. So if you enjoy it, make sure to hit like, hit subscribe, and all the good stuff. And if you have any question, let me know in the comments down below. And happy new year to everyone. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye bye.